Should you get your ductwork cleaned? Short answer is yes, you should. And the reason for that is, your furnace is moving air through your home at a pretty high rate most of the year. If you have air conditioning, it's almost the entire time. Because most ductwork is located on the floor, dirt, dust, debris, Legos, Hot Wheels, all that stuff ends up in your ductwork. So that stuff builds up over time, and if it gets wet, it gets sticky, and actually that dirt, dust, and debris can kind of get stuck inside the ductwork. And the reason it's so important is because if you've got buildup inside your ductwork, not only are you just kind of kicking that stuff around and it's circulating throughout the house, you're actually reducing the ability of the furnace to work efficiently, because you're reducing the amount of airflow that can move through, or that it can push through the ductwork. From an air quality standpoint, your furnace filter can only do so much, but if it doesn't, a lot of the times you're just circulating a lot of dust, it doesn't get through the filter, it doesn't get to the filter. So if you've got a forced air system in your home, and your home is dusty and dustier than you'd prefer, it's a good chance your ductwork need to be cleaned. I always tell folks is if you pop off one of the registers in your home and get a wet paper towel and wipe it out, and if it comes out anything other than bright white and clean, you should really get your ductwork cleaned.